Hi everyone. Today is episode 5. Okay, so today I would like to share a story what I did on Sunday. It's simple English. I try to be simple. So I got invitation for open house. It's still Raya. It's still Raya, yeah. So it's my uncle. He stay at Once Maju or still once something like that lah. I forgot the detail. So it's open house for family members only. So I bring my sister and also my two friends. So they mm, already know each other actually. So one of them I always bring to family what we call family event. And always bring to my kampung also, my village also, my hometown. Sorry for that. Okay. My my uncle, hidang apa bahasa English? Serve. Okay, my uncle serve us a lot of food. Start from all the raya menu such as lemang. We also have dendeng. We have rendang, roti jala, ayam gulai. We also have two type of kelapis. One is from Sarawak and another one claimed to be from Labuan. And we also have cake chocolate. Yeah, chocolate cake is from my auntie who baked itself. Then we have what else do we have that day? I'm thinking, oh, satay. Yeah, satay, full set of satay. I mean, satay, nasi impit, um, kuah kacang. Then, yes, that's for the raya menu. And for the lunch, my uncle also served us a lot of lau or a dish. Yeah, a dish. He bought like nasi campur macam tu, like that lah. So what dish do we have? Ikan keli, ikan keli bakar with fire asam, and also ikan tali pia bakar. Then we have bajri nanas, jering, hati goreng. Then we have what else? Yeah. Oh, telur itik like that, and a lot more actually. That's good. So, we stayed there until 3 or 4 like that. Then we went to where we go. We went to then we went to Pavilion Mall. I'm planning to give my sister her birthday gift. So what I'm giving her this year is Lego set because she's love a Lego. Usually she's buying herself a eco shop Lego type, the small one, maybe a guitar, maybe a flowers, um cat. Yeah, she's love the Lego. So for the birthday, I'm thinking to give a special one. Actually, at first I thought she would like the flower, so I bring her to the Lego shop at Pavilion Mall. Okay, so as you know, Lego for each branch, basically based on my analysis lah, um, it's not get the same stock for every store. So for example, for the Pavi, they got a lot of flower bouquet, flower type Lego. So I bring her there actually for that. But then at first he already got, as I know this my sister, she's a bit thoughtful about people. So when I said I want to treat her for that, he chose the cheapest, 4, I think 64 ringgit. So I said to her, that's one she can buy herself whenever she got her salary, right? She can add it. That one is, yeah lah, this one is a gift, right? I want to give the best one. The one that she won by with her own money. I said that. So she upgrade. She upgrade to what another flower bouquet, but 100 ringgit. So again, 100 ringgit, it just add a bit from the previous one. So I said, no. Find the biggest one that you like here. Don't think about the price also. Then okay lah, she choose. But then she walk around the shop. Lego Pavilion have quite big, quite big like the shop. It's like it look like two shop in front, two door shop. Yeah. But the Lego is at the elite. So usually at the elite, all the shop is quite big. Okay, so she walk around and suddenly she's like the, what is it called? What movie is it? Up, if I'm not mistaken. So she's left that one. She's won that one, and if bought any of the Disney collab, you will get the princess. What is the princess? What is the princess that she get? Mermaid, right? The mermaid. What is name? Ariel. For free. Ariel with her piano for free. A small one lah, but yeah, for free, right? So why not? So, she also she put back the flower and take the up movie. Okay lah, whichever she want. Then we went to Coffee Bean actually to try the latest tiramisu. And lastly, we go to oh I forgot. I bring my sister to the, I forgot the drink name. D Mary, something like that, or Treaty Mary. I'm not sure. It's at the Pavi, and coincidence, they have that Happy Bear Day, the cream brulee latte, if I'm not mistaken. No, milk tea. Oh, it tastes good, and it's Happy Bear Day. The bear, okay, the drink style, they give you the bear together with the drink. So it's look like a gift. It's so cute. If you want, they still have that at the branch, at the store. Okay. And I also went to the DJI. I'm thinking to get the Osmo Nano, so I just go to try to test. But then when I see it in front, when physically I can touch it, I try it, I think I'm more prone to take Action 6. What do you guys think? Should I change from Osmo Nano to Action 6? Action 6 is so good. You can bring it to snorkeling, for example. Yeah, of course, Osmo Nano also can. But Osmo Nano, it has quite a lot cons compared to version 6, and the price is okay lah. The price is quite far, but you know, you buy it once, right? So might get the best one. Yeah, that's it for my Sunday, and you will meet again for tomorrow. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.